songs, and today we're doing we're playing Roblox, and today we are playing Piggy. Our favorite game is gonna be Trainer.
I love Trainer.
Yeah.
Am I Trainer?
No, I want to be Trainer.
I'm not Trainer.
Am I Trainer?
No, you're not Trainer, because if you're a Trainer, it'll show you something else. It'll teleport you somewhere else.
Okay.
Okay.
Respond.
Okay.
Come on, Kuya. Yeah,
Guys, I'm gonna upload 4 videos today because I haven't been uploading and you guys probably missed my content, so
Come on, Kuya.
I'm back.
Hi.
And by the way, if you're wondering why I'm in a different vacuum, same thing.
Kuya, I have an idea.
Yeah, because I'm not.
What if we go to the shopping store,
Yeah.
shopping where we change our looks?
Yeah.
And then we dress up as a nice Piggy character, and then nobody knows you're the Zizzy or other people. Hey, Kuya.
Sorry.
I want to get the grass. I'm gonna get the grass. Kuya, where's the grass?
I don't know.
Kuya, go around. Piggy has woken up.
Piggy got shot.
Piggy shot. Kuya. Help.
Are we playing? No, we're playing Trainer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Elijah. If you don't know, the Trainer, Piggy can actually kill the Trainer.
I know. Piggy's chasing me.
Oh, it's my fan, Elijah. It's the girl with the purple hair.
Okay.
Sorry, unicorn lover. It's you.
No, don't chase me. Bad. No, bad. You're bad. Get out!
I'm
Stop following me. I'll just get killed. What?
Unicorn, why do you have to do that to me? No, I'm playing. Okay.
That's your opinion.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video until I'm back inside the Piggy match. See you guys then. Bye. I just noticed.
Hey!
I just looked at Elijah's iPad, and as soon as I said that, the thing is over. Vote for school. I want to do school.
No. Okay.
I'm voting for school.
I vote.
School. Let's do school.
I vote for school.
Okay, what percent is my computer? Because I don't want it to die on you.
Yeah.
74%. Good.
When my iPad was a little percent, it died on me, but I didn't get electrocuted.
Yeah, yes, we're doing player. I hate infection.
Yay!
I'm Piggy.
Wait! Don't kill me, Kuya. Kuya, can you not kill me?
Fine.
Yay! Don't trick me either.
I'm Piggy.
I want to see what Piggy are you gonna go?
I'm actually Madame Gazelle, if you didn't know that.
No! I don't want you to be Madame Gazelle. Kuya, can you not kill me? And don't trick me either.
I'm gonna kill Unicorn for killing me last round.
Yeah.
No, Elijah, I'm gonna keep you alive. Is it okay if I put my computer right here, Elijah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs.
Right, they can kind of see you like that.
Yeah.
'Cause,
I want to see where's the blue lock because I got the blue key. Are you gonna start upstairs or downstairs?
I'll tell you. I think downstairs. Okay, I'm out.
You're downstairs.
I'm about to.
Piggy has woken up. Madam Gazelle, where are you? This is Mr. B at school? I'm upstairs.
I'm gonna teach you. Ready to be for teaching you?
Kuya!
I'm baldy.
Kuya, I'm gonna go downstairs. Kuya, don't chase me or either because when I played Piggy with Summer and you don't want to go to Zoom and you were Madame Gazelle, you chased me. So don't chase me.
Fine.
How can? Where's the stairs? Oh, right here.
So Elijah, it's either an option that I pause the video until no, I think you guys want to see me as Piggy.
Hi. Don't kill me! No! Bad. Don't kill me.
What? I try to get this guy.
I'm gonna follow you. Because I'm a little bit fast and you're fast. You're faster.
Elijah, I'm gonna put down the trap right here. Don't.
Okay, put a trap there. Don't kill me.
Just.
Where's the blue lock? Because I didn't did school for a while.
I'm actually not sure.
Don't even kill me. Don't be by me. Because you're gonna kill me. When I jump, I'm gonna go fast. Ah! You almost killed me.
No.
No! I don't know. Where's the blue key? No. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna go here.
I suck at being Piggy, but I like being Piggy. Where's Unicorn Lover? Where is she? I'm gonna get her. Sorry, Unicorn Lover, for watching.
I'm gonna get.
Don't dislike this video.
Don't go around because I'm here. I got the red key. What?
Oh my god, I suck at being Piggy. I just might
Just what? Don't go around because oh you're down.
Got him!
Where's the red lock? Is it downstairs?
I actually don't know.
Kuya, why you don't know everything?
No, he's supposed at me. Okay, no, I'm playing. Okay.
I'm just gonna destroy the traps. Do you want? No, don't kill me! Why did you kill me? Sorry, I wouldn't buy you.
No, I didn't even press this. I only hold it. Okay, says Elijah. Since I killed you on accident, I'm gonna, guys, since...
Someone shoot you. Bunny! Bad Bunny! Why?
Bunny, I wish, Bunny, if you're in real life and Piggy, you wanna know what I will do to you?
What?
I'll go boxing match versus you. I'll go...
Yeah, in the boxing challenge. But there's no boxing challenge in Piggy.
Leave a like if you want me to box Bunny.
Yeah. I wish I can equip Madame Gazelle, but Madame Gazelle is expensive.
Guys, so I guess this is boring to you, so I'm gonna unpause the video until I
want to hear the song in the school.
Yeah, I love this. What?
Infection? Do you want to do infection? Because I like infection. When someone kills you, you be Piggy infection. Do you know that, guys?
It's me. Sub.
Do infection.
Okay. We're not gonna look at the chat anymore. We're just gonna play Piggy and don't look at the chat.
What do you want to vote?
Gallery. Do gallery. I like gallery.
Why?
So you can do carnival.
I'm gonna vote for camera.
Guys, so I'm not gonna let you see the chat, but I will only look at the chat on Elijah's.
I want to hear the song in gallery.
Okay. I voted trainer.
Me too.
I want trainer. No. Bullshit.
Kuya, why did you turn it down?
Come on. Yes, trainer. I swear, if I'm not trainer, you wanna know?
I like this song.
Oh. If I'm not trainer, you want to know what I'm going to do?
What?
I'm trainer! Yes! Yes!
Can you not kill me? Kuya, can you not kill me?
Oh, yes, I'm trainer.
Hurry, before Piggy comes.
Yes!
And kill you.
I am the trainer.
Don't kill me, okay? Kuya, don't kill me. Don't get your knife out.
So I said you can't pick. Oh, so basically I have to help Piggy.
Yeah, you have to help Piggy, but Piggy can kill you. Oh.
Yeah, Piggy can kill me. So I can help you guys escape. I guess so. Cause I don't know.
I got the plane.
I'm stuck. I'm glitched. Okay.
I got the plane. Don't kill me.
Here, Elijah. I know. Here, I won't kill you.
Where's the plane? Oh, is it George?
Yeah, it's right there. No, it's Father.
Is that Daddy Pig?
Yeah.
That's Daddy Pig.
Oh, we're stuck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Crouch. 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 Oh, Daddy Pig is getting me. Daddy Pig, stop it. Stop it. Kuya, can you help? Daddy Pig is getting me. Father is getting me.
Where is he?
Oh, Father is
Oh, he's upstairs. He's upstairs. I have the knife. I have the knife. Someone save me.
I can't save you because Father is gonna kill me. No. Oh my god. I like that song. Dun dun. How did you slide? How can you slide? How can you slide?
Guys, help me.
How can you slide?
I don't know. No! Stop. Our trainer has been stopped. No. Oh, trainer got stopped. No. Sorry, imagine I'm trainer again, Elijah.
What are you saying?
I'm put trainer. I was trainer. I'm put it's okay, Elijah. What do you want to vote? Let's vote on.
Vote on what?
Let's vote on Forest. No, let's vote on Carnival. Let's do Carnival again.
I vote Carnival.
Oh, the video's about to end. It's up.
Okay, we're gonna. Which one you want to buy?
No, vote, please.
Where?
Actually, no, vote on bot.
Bot. I said bot.
Yeah. No infection.
But I like infection.
People say infection, please.
No.
No infection. You know why? Because if someone kills you, you're gonna be Piggy as them, like them. So
yeah, that's not. We're not gonna do infection. We didn't vote for infection. I said okay. Come on, you're by your fan.
No.
Can I get stuff?
Sorry, I'm just gonna be right here, cause like, ow.
Because like what?
The green key's right there. I want to grab the green key. No, the yellow key.
No, I want to get the yellow key. I got the yellow key. Where'd the yellow key go? Hurry, is it? When
Piggy's about to spawn right there, Elijah. I'm scared. Is Clowny behind me? Clowny's chasing me.
Where's Clowny?
Behind me.
I don't see Clowny. If you pick the bot, Clowny spawns. You can't get me, Clowny.
Elijah, are you behind me?
No.
So Clowny's still behind me, right?
Yeah, Clowny's behind me.
Oh, Clowny's behind you?
Chasing me.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Where's the yellow lock go?
Yellow lock?
Yeah.
Oh, where are you?
I'm by
the Ferris wheel.
No, I'm gonna go.
Where are you? Oh,
I'm gonna go in here. Piggy's not here. Piggy's not chasing me.
I'm by Clowny.
You're by Clowny. Where's Clowny? Behind you?
No, it's.
Oh.
Okay, bye, guys.
Clowny was
right
behind me.
He's right there.
Where's the yellow rock go?
Where are you?
Chasing me. Kuya,
yeah.
Help. Kuya, I'm by the cat. I see you, Kuya. I'm coming. Clowny's right behind me.
Come here. I know where the thing comes, but we're gonna have to get Clowny off of you.
Like how?
Like this.
Chase you?
Like. So we're not gonna follow them. Okay, Clowny's not following you.
Okay.
Come here. Actually, no.
Here.
Come over here, Elijah.
Okay.
Yellow key.
Okay.
Put that yellow key right there.
Okay.